Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a quiet neighborhood, there lived a little boy named Anthony. Anthony was an ordinary child in many ways, but he had an extraordinary love for turtles. These remarkable creatures held a special place in his heart, and he was on a mission to protect them from harm. Anthony's infatuation with turtles began. At a young age, when he discovered a tiny, curious turtle in his backyard, he marveled at its fancy shell and gentle demeanor. When he got older, Anthony would visit the local library and spend countless hours reading books about turtles. He even had a collection of turtle figurines. On his bedroom shelves. One sunny afternoon, as Anthony was playing in his front yard, he noticed a painted turtle slowly making its way across the street. The thought of it, getting hit by a car, filled him with dread. Without hesitation, he called for his mom to come help, and they rushed to the rescue. Rescue rules. Make sure you are safe. Anthony's mom went with him to make sure it was safe for Anthony to be in the street. Rescue rules number 2. Move turtle in the same direction it is headed to. Anthony knew the cardinal rule of turtle rescue. You always take the turtle in the same direction it is going. If you put them back where they started, they will just turn around and end up in harm's way again. Anthony knelt and gently picked up the little turtle and walked across the street. He cradled it in his small hands and examined the turtle closely. Admiring the vibrant patterns on its shell, Anthony placed him in the long grass and watched him walk away. He had a sense of satisfaction as the turtle gracefully slipped into the weeds. He felt a warmth in his heart, knowing he had made a difference in the little turtle's life. From that day on, Anthony made it his personal mission to rescue turtles whenever he found them in harm's way. Ensuring that he always released them in the direction they were headed. His friends and family soon became aware of his passion and they kindly referred to him as Turtle Guardian. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!